You know, press-ons don't have to look like press-ons, right? Let me show you how to make these press-ons look like salon quality without the salon price. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do an underlay on your press-ons so that they can last for at least a week or two. And the products I use are professional, but you do not have to use these particular products. I already have mine pre-selected in my sizes. I already pre-selected. I've scored the inside of them to make sure that the acrylic adheres to this nail. And I'm about to file the top of mine. I've already done my manicure. I just didn't file the top of mine yet. But I've already got my sizes pre-selected. So basically, I'm ready to go. I like the size of these so that I shouldn't have to do too much filing. What I do have that I'm going to use is a dehydrator to make sure that there is no water, nothing left on my nails. Also to make sure that my acrylic sticks, and right now I'm not sure if I want to use clear or pink, but I have both, so I will figure that out in just a second. Okay, so here you want to make sure after you do your manicure that you are filing your nail. You want to do it lightly, like not too hard to damage your natural nail, but you want to do it enough to where the acrylic will adhere to your nail and also the press-on as well. So that's what I'm doing here, and you know, I'm talking, but whatever. The products I'm using in this video, they are all professional products, but you do not have to use these particular brands. You can get the kits that they have at Walmart, at the little drugstores, things like that. I would just be careful to make sure that they don't have MMA like in the liquid, in the monomer. But yeah, you don't have to do or use the products that I'm using. These are just, you know, my suggestions, and these are what I use because I do my own nails at home. But yes, the dehydrator is not required, nor is the primer, but I believe those kits do come with that as well. But again, it's not required. I mean, press-ons are supposed to be fast, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is just to make sure that they last longer than the day, or longer than the little sticky pads that come with it, and also to make them look realistic, like press-ons wear. Okay. I do wear a mask while doing my nails, as anybody should, because you know, this ain't the type of high that I recommend. I don't recommend this type of high. Now, if that's what you do, that's your thing. Also, let me show y'all some of these other nails while I'm at it from Shein, because baby, I don't think y'all understand. Shein got that work. And they are very sturdy. Now, the ones that I'm about to put on, these are sold out. I'm looking for these again because Lord, these are gorgeous. These are, I wish I could show y'all how gorgeous they are, but yeah. Yeah, baby. These right here, I went back and immediately bought some more, as well as the ones that I'm about to put on right now. Actually, I bought all of them over, so okay. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and get my monomer out. And I do recommend that if y'all are gonna use acrylic monomer, to get a good brand, because if you get the wrong kind that has the MMA in it, it eats away at your nails and the health of your nails. I have two. I have one in odorless, and I have the regular one by Hey Beautiful. But the only reason why I'm not using the odorless is because it takes too long to dry. I need the cement immediately. Otherwise, I would use the odorless. But yeah. And shout out to Hey Beautiful, my bad. Yeah, I got a lot of these acrylics. I love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. And let me make sure you can see everything. Yes, my hands be ashy, I know. I'm gonna start out with my left hand since I am left-handed, but ironically my dominant hand is my right. So I'm gonna start out with this hand so that this hand can be more easy for me. And this again is just some dehydrator from Mia Secrets. Oh my God, I'm glad I opened the window. Let me get my my extra bond. My primer. So with this one, because it do have a little bit of flex in it, I say a little, I'm still gonna put some more on the bottom because I wear my nails long and I need them to be reinforced. So. Okay, also with right here, make sure that your acrylic saturates all the way so that it don't leave the white mess like I did on my pointer finger. See how I'm going deep up in there? And then watch, I'm just gonna lay that bad boy. And this time I went all the way up because I ain't got time to be doing that half and half. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all can't see it. Baby. Press on where? Hold it for about a few seconds. Do your little cleanup. Going to your next nail. Now let me show you. It's solid underneath the bottom because I need my nails to be hard. That nail not going nowhere. Now y'all can do it a little thinner than me, but that's for me and my house, like I said. That's for me and my nails. We're gonna take this cake. Alright, thank you. Hey, beautiful. Think you need a secret. I didn't use you, but you know. Oh, I used your dehydrator and primer. I mean, with not much left to do, I mean, you can't tell me that ain't pretty cool for some press on. I'm cleaning up the sides now because technically, that's what they supposed to sound like, right? I was a little heavy-handed on the what's it called. Besides this one,